the diamond minecart. And today we're playing another Ghostbusters map. So I haven't played this since I was a kid, so it says, and this is the one movie coming out. This is the new movie coming out, and yeah, this ghost is a girl. I have no idea that ghosts look like that, but yeah. And today, okay. Proton pack. This proton pack is really heavy, like a normal proton pack, and the gun shoots new coils like this. And a guitar. And it also does that. So, if you want to see me do this map, and I also have a ghost trap here. It's here. It looks like this inside. It's like that. And it says no ghost there. It's also really cool with that dripping there. And I think that's bloody. Got the Ghostbusters firehouse. It's right here, and it says Ghostbusters there. It's gonna say have lots of Ghostbusters. What? Ghostbusters lights. That looks like a ghost. I'm getting too much stuff. And oh, another Ghostbuster picture. This is and then the others. This, oh my goodness, it's cool. Whoa. This is cool. And on the other side is this no ghost. Haha. So, a new movie is with the Ghostbusters girls. And by the way, and that isn't supposed to be in front of their before the movie starts, because it's only supposed to do that in the commercial. And I saw the commercial a million times. And I don't know what the white ghost with the feet are. That is not inappropriate. So, yeah, that's all I have. So, if you want to see more videos of Dan TDM, please subscribe and smash your face in that like button. Actually, your Ghostbuster picture in that like button. And I'll see you later. Bye.